So Regenerate LA really grew out of conversations I had with my longtime allies, Kiss the Ground, LA Compost, and LA Conservation Corps about how could we create pathways to implement SB 1383. It was introduced and approved back in 2016. The only problem was it was an unfunded mandate. It required cities to collect their food waste, address this problem, and also this helps cities to reduce their reliance on landfill. We're actually really running out of ways to, running out of space for landfills. So this helps cities reduce their costs from a landfill point of view as well. The only problem with an unfunded mandate is it actually costs money to do this stuff. So cities have been hesitant to make this requirement of their restaurants, particularly in COVID. Restaurants were struggling. So when it came time to implement SB 1383 in January of 2022, the city of Los Angeles has been struggling because it didn't want to put more financial burdens on its restaurants and food service providers. We started having those conversations and really looking at a systemic fix. How could we address our food waste problem, create compost, and create good career pathways for folks in the city? The Regenerate LA legislation itself, which we introduced the day after the film Kiss the Ground premiered, directs city departments to find opportunities for food waste composting throughout the city, for mulching throughout the city, identify open spaces that the city manages, identify medians, identify parks, and really work together to create a healthy soil strategy. As part of Regenerate LA, we're also keeping a really clear eye on water. Water is a huge problem in Southern California. We've been having a drought for 2 decades, which just keeps getting worse. Our Department of Sanitation, who's been so great on our biodiversity initiative, picked up the ball and has been actively convening a Healthy Soils Advisory Board made up of the organizations that I mentioned, as well as various city departments to try to figure this all out. And we really want to figure out a way to reduce our reliance on toxic pesticides and herbicides, toxic chemicals, and really improve our water conservation through this as well. Healthy soil helps us conserve water, and in our mega drought, that couldn't be more important right now. So we were really looking for a systemic way to approach all of these things, and Regenerate LA really gave us the path forward.